This is tutorial for Excel Expert, project number one. Task number one is to configure Excel to save auto recovery information every 7 minutes. Auto recovery is hidden on the Excel option. You can find the setup on this Excel option that hiding on the backstage menu, and the auto recover is located on this save. And then we have to make sure that the auto recover information on the instruction is for every 7 minutes. So we set here with 7 minutes. This one is looks good. And then you just have to press OK. That's all for number one. And task number two is to format the cell range B11 to F43 to display data to two decimal places using Canadian accounting format. So let's jump to B11 to F43. So this is B11 and all the way down to F43. And then we go to number formatting. All right, here we go. And then we have to change to accounting with the two decimal places with the symbol of Canadian accounting format. So it should be located on the, okay, let's see, Canadian should be CAD. All right, this one is Canadian accounting format. That's all for number two. We jump to number three. I have to populate the data column. Row 11 through 43 using weekday date series with a step value of 1. So that means we have to fill in all the blanks on column A with the setup of date series. This is already looks good on date day with the step value of 1. Just click OK. That's all for number three. And then we jump to number four. Copy the macro from Outledger XLSM workbook to this daily ledger XLSM workbook. Apply the macro to cell B44 to F44. So how to copy the macro? And we have to open the file, the daily ledger XLSM. Okay, looks good. And then you have to go to developer tab and then click Visual Basic. Now, macro is hiding on this module folder. All you have to do is just drag and drop to your project one, and this will automatically copy the macro file. Once you finish, you just have to close the daily ledger files. No need to save this one. And then the second task is to apply the macro to cell B44 to F44. how to apply the macro. Once you highlight all the cells and then go to developer tab, click macros, and then there you go. Just run the macro. Right. That's all for task number 4. Next, task number 5 is to encrypt this workbook with the password capital P at SSWORD. The keyword is encrypt, so we have to encrypt through this menu. Encrypt with password. It's hidden on the backstage. Right, just set up the password using capital P at double S W O R D, and that's all. Just click OK. Reconfirm by retyping the password, the capital P at double S W O R D. Click OK. Okay, looks good. The document is now encrypted, protected workbook. And last one is to save this workbook into the document folder as a macro enabled template with the name ledger. So what we have to do is try to save as and place it to your document folder with the name ledger. Don't forget to change the type into macro enable template, which is located on here. Excel macro enable template, XLTM. Right, looks good. Just press save button. All right, that's all tutorial for project number 1.